morning students. Today we are going to see the map of 7th lesson of geography, that is the lifeline of national economy, and we want to do both location as well as labeling. Okay, first one, it is major ports. We want to study 10 major ports. First one, it is Kandla, Mumbai, Mormugao, New Mangalore, Cochin, Tuticorin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradip and Haldia. Like these 10 places we want to study. Which one? Seaport. So you can write in the bracket like that, major seaport, not instead of port means we may get confusion like that. It's seaport. If you are getting like that, seaport means very easily you can identify, it will come in the coastal area only. The next one, it is the international airports, that is we want to study 6. Amritsar, that is Rajasthansi, you want to study both place name as well as airport name. Then Delhi, Indira Gandhi International, Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji, then Chennai, Meenambakam, then Kolkata, that is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, then Hyderabad, Rajiv Gandhi. It may ask like that, in the name of king, or the name of freedom fighter, or in the name of lady prime minister, or in the name of former prime minister, like that it may ask. So we want to study the place name as well as in airport name. So once again, the major seaports: Kandla, that is in Gujarat; Mumbai, it is in Maharashtra; Mormugao, that is in Goa; New Bangalore, that is in Karnataka; then Kochi, that is in Kerala; Tuticorin and Chennai, it is in Tamil Nadu; Visakhapatnam, it is in Andhra Pradesh; Paradip, it is in Odisha; then Haldia, that is in West Bengal. Then Amritsar, again international airports. Amritsar, that is in Punjab; Delhi, that is in Delhi itself; Mumbai, that you know in Maharashtra; then Chennai, that is in Tamil Nadu; Kolkata, it is in West Bengal; Hyderabad, it is in Telangana, present in Telangana. In olden days, what we are saying, that was in Andhra. So these many total we want to study 16 places today. How many places? We want to study 16 places. So we are going to see the places, and once again, Kandla in Gujarat, Mumbai in Maharashtra, Mormugao in Goa, New Mangalore in Karnataka, Cochin in Kerala, Tuticorin and Chennai in Tamil Nadu, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, and Paradip, and that is in Odisha, then Haldia in West Bengal. The next one, Amritsar, Rajasthansi in Punjab; Delhi, that is in Delhi, Indira Gandhi International; then Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji, that is in Maharashtra; Chennai in Tamil Nadu; Kolkata, that is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, that is in West Bengal; then Hyderabad, Rajiv Gandhi, that is in Telangana. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to see that one in the textbook where that places. Okay, then very easily we can locate it. So we are moving to textbook. Here we can see the international major ports and some international airports. Which one is important one, that only it is given. We want to study 6 airports and 10 seaports. So first we will see airports. So we can see here that Amritsar, that is in Punjab, that is API written means airport, that is number 1. Then Delhi, that is number 2. Then Mumbai, number 3, Chhatrapati Shivaji. Then we can see Chennai, that is in 4 number. Then Hyderabad, that is in 5 number. Then here Subhash Chandra Bose, that is in Calcutta, that is 6 number. Like these 6 places we want to study. Once again, starting on Amritsar, that is in Punjab. Then Delhi, Indira Gandhi International. Then Chhatrapati Shivaji, that is in Mumbai. Then it is coming Meenambakam, that is in Chennai. Then Hyderabad, it is not given in textbook, so you can write in textbook itself Rajiv Gandhi. Then here in West Bengal, that is Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Like that 6 airports we want to study. Then major seaport, we are going to see major seaport. First one, Kandla, that is in Gujarat. Then next one, Jawaharlal Nehru seaport, that is in Mumbai. Then Mormugao, then New Mangalore, then Cochin, then Tuticorin, then Chennai, then we want to move to this side, Visakhapatnam, Paradeep and Haldia. There is two seaports, one is Calcutta seaport and one is Haldia seaport. So we want to study only Haldia seaport. And why it is started? Because of the conjunction in the means many ships it is coming and going, and it is making the busiest one in Calcutta. That's why they made another one that is in Haldia. So we want to study once again 10 seaport, Kandla, then Mumbai, Mormugava, New Mangalore, Cochin, Tuticorin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, then Paradeep and Haldia. Like these 10 places we want to study for board exam purpose. Otherwise there are in other seaports and airports. We can see one of the seaport here in Port Blair, that is in Andaman Nicobar, and we can see again some of the airports that is there in Trivandrum. There is one airport, and in Tamil Nadu itself we are having many airports, means 4 to 5 airports are there international, but we are studying only major ones or important ones. Some airports and seaports we are studying. So once again all the places we will revise. First one Amritsar, that is airport, Delhi airport, Mumbai airport, then Chennai airport, then Hyderabad airport, then Calcutta airport. Like that 6 airports we want to study. Then seaport Kandla, then Mumbai, then Mormugava, Mangalore, Cochin, then Tuticorin, then Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradeep and Haldia. So total today we want to study 16 places. So what is your homework? Draw 2 maps and locate and label the places, place name. One is seaport map, another one is airport map. Like the 2 maps you want to draw and you want to send today itself. Okay, we will continue in next video with next topic. Thank you.